Alright, today I'm just going to review the Dominator, Kreepy Krauly Dominator. I've had it for 7 years. Immediately you will notice that the wheels, the tires actually in fact, will need to be replaced. There's also considerable play, and if you actually open the inside, what has happened here is this particular ball cleaner seems to be stuck in the deep end, and you will notice we got a shaft here. We got all these different gears, and then if you really I'm trying to do it with one hand, but it's just that if you turn the one wheel, the other one doesn't work, so it's actually quite completely useless in the current format. Alright, so if you can, I'm trying to see if I can show you what is happening at the moment. So if you turn the wheel, you'll see this one is not engaging either at all. So now with one working, you might find that your cleaner might just stay in one position because it's kind of really not working. And I can tell you really just by looking at the shaft, you can see there's quite a whole lot of wear in that. And secondly, you might even find that this part here is also a problem because after it wears, it after a certain amount of years, it will wear out. I'm going to take this wheel off just to give you a little bit more of an indication of what is going on inside. Alright, so I've taken the wheel off. It basically is just a number 5 Allen key. Unscrew it and then you take it off, and then you are actually left with this. You've got an enclosed wheel bearing there, and then of course you can just take this out. So sorry, that's basically what should have happened here is that if you gotta, that's got to be flushed in there. So if you take that out, just watch the springs, and that will come out like that. That's the enclosed bearing there, and then of course then you have the long shaft, and then you can actually, you will notice that there is quite a bit of wear on this. So this probably will resolve the problem if you just replace the shaft. But it's also, I'm going to try and take that out just to show you what else could be the problem here. So to take this out, you need to take out a, call it a shaft or something, and say there you're going to take off the screw here, and also you need to take that wheel off as well, and then you push that shaft out, and that will release all these gears here. Alright, took off the second wheel. Now all you need to do is just use a screwdriver and just move that, and then you'll notice that these will fall out as well. So I suspect that this is worn out. It looks it still looks in mint condition though, but it's basically, for me, it will be the replacing the shaft, which is this guy here, and as you can, as I said before, there's a lot of wear there, and then possibly test it and see if the problem has resolved. Otherwise I would recommend this as well. I also mentioned about the wheels. It should be replaced as well, and of course the tires as well, because you got a lot of play on this as well. Just for further interest is that if you take off this guy's got stuck. Oh, there we are. You will notice that there is a further bearing that is also probably need replacing. And then the third one is right in there, you can see that, and that you need to push out. There we go. That's the third one. Yeah, I would also replace this. The other one, as I said before, is this guy here. But I think it comes in a complete unit though. Reason why is because I think this is also got a lot of wear in it as well. The problem is these parts are not cheap, and you might even have to decide to rather purchase a new one, because you probably find the parts is about 50% of the value of the new Kreepy Krauly or Dominator, as what this particular model is called. So yeah. Alright, so I've taken basically all the gears and stuff out, and then you are left with all these. I think this is called a step down gear, and then you have all this stuff. So basically that leaves you with, you can see, nearly all the gears and stuff is all out, and this is basically what this whole Dominator consists of. So all this plastic, but the kit form does come with replacement parts for this, the wheels, the rim only, but the tires you still need to buy separately. And then of course is the bearings. It comes with 3 bearings as well. Thank you for watching.